Hello and welcome to today's video. As you can see, the camel is sporting her credit card, which can only mean one thing. I went shopping. She went shopping at the Jeffree Star sale where they have Mystery Treats, Heatwave, and Sandcastle. Sandcastle is $6 each, Heatwave is $12 each. You're supposed to get 50% or more, but at least 50% return on your value or your investment. So let's see what the camel has found us, because she hasn't seen everything yet. I have. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Then let's go. This is a lipstick. It is in the shade Celebrity Skin. It's a little bit darker than what I would usually use. So I think this one will probably find its way into the Find a New Home box. This was one of the $6 items. This is a Supreme Gloss in the shade Mannequin. Oh, you like lip gloss? Yes, I like lip gloss. Granted, it's a little more neutral than my crazy blingy colors that I often do, but this one I'm going to hang on to, and I've taken a sniff. It has a nice sweet scent to it. So again, this is the shade Mannequin. Oh, I want to try it. Okay, you can try it later. So those were the $6 items. Which one did you like? Let us know in the comments down below. Then for one of the $12 items, we got this. I have to say, the packaging on this is nice and firm. Cute design. It has a tassel. This is from the Bananafettish collection. It is a mascara. And unfortunately, I'm not quite sure that this is working properly. I can only get the mascara, which by the way, it is yellow, to show up on the tip of the spoolie. It doesn't apply from the spoolie wand itself. And so I've contacted Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I am waiting to hear back upon what decision is going to be made, because we put in $12 for this and it does not seem to be working. One thing I did learn when I looked at their website is this is a tubing mascara, and apparently with a tubing mascara, one is supposed to work just on one eye at a time, not alternating back and forth between the two. Finish one eye completely with all of the coats, because I guess when the mascara is moist is when it works best. So you want to keep applying to one eye. When that eye gets to where you want it to be, then move on to your other eye. Oh, well, at least you learned something. Yep. Hopefully they can replace or refund or do something about this, because it does not seem to be working. Then there is the other $12 item that I've seen in the box. I pulled it out and looked, but Fatima doesn't know about this. Oh, I'm excited. What is it? Oh my goodness! Is it? It is. We got the Bloodlust palette. Oh, wow. And we have very limited things from Jeffree Star. So we don't have any of the eyeshadow palettes. So this is our first Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness. What are the colors? What are the shades? Okay, let's do this and not blind everybody. Okay, here we are. It does come with a mirror. Oh, 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 Fatima? Fatima? She has swooned. Let me go revive her, and we'll see if we can get her to do some swatches. Fatima! Oh, Fatima! Cue the music. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job with those swatches, Fatima. Thank you. Oh, wow. That is an awesome palette. I could swoon again. Please don't. So, as I said earlier, the items were priced at either $6 or $12. The Supreme lip gloss had a retail of $20, and the liquid lip has a retail of $18. Those were the $6 items that we purchased. And then the $12 purchases were the mascara, which has a retail of $23, and the Bloodlust palette, which has a retail of $54. We did have to pay for shipping, which was $12, and then there was tax, which was almost $3. So all in, we paid a little over $50. And the palette alone covers the cost. And then the other items are sort of just extra, although I do hope to hear something back regarding the mascara that does not seem to be working correctly. With all of that being said, comment down below if you haven't done so already as to which item you liked the best. Please consider subscribing. Our channel would appreciate it. And we hope to see you again in another video. Oh, I need to go lie down. I think I might swoon again. Thanks for watching.